a friend, and this two contain a friend of the particular man. This is a person who is playing a main role. This I just take this as a professor. Okay, so this was happening like this. Is a man. A main person is like he's just often from the small age even he's just getting demotivated. He doesn't see any happiness. He just sees his happiness only within himself, but he couldn't able to understand it. So some of his friends are good friend as well as the bad friends. If it is life in a sense, if it is both type of friends, a good as well as a bad friends. So here this man has gathered a good as well as a bad friend. So good friends will support and they will motivate him. Okay, no one will demotivate you because of one particular reason. And he is good in his studies and he is good in his sports also, but he is not getting demotivated because of his studies for some other reasons. Like families, he comes from a poor family and he is in a topmost position. He scored a good position, a good mark in 12th, so he just came into this college. Because of his family background, they just they similarly to this college in the sense starting will be there, senior will track juniors. Not only in college, in schools also many of them are just demotivating him. He just crossed that also. In this college also there is a sort of a friend. This both is contain a good friend. This is a particular red pawn is contain a bad friend. That is who always demotivated. This both the friends were saying that okay, just leave it. We'll just see. If they demotivated, just take a good part from that. If they demotivating for some other reason, you just take a good part from that, and then you can able to say solve it from a next situation onwards. Solve it from a next situation onwards. The bad friend is always demotivating it. This made a huge problem, and this went to a professor, and he is telling that he is also started to discourage it. He's just if you went to an higher official like a management, he is just thinking that okay, the management is about to
finish what you started.
So they support him. So he just thought like that. So even though the management and the surrounding people were demotivating him, and he's just bringing a low. If he somewhat is okay up in stage, again he's just demotivated, coming in a low position. Sir, I just finished up. I just say the normal moral around, sir.
Sure.
So why I brought this because in each and everyone's life there will be a sort of good thing as well as a bad thing. So if it is positive thing, it's not a problem. If it is negative thing, take a good things from everyone. Not if it is, for example, a negative things like someone like demotivated. Someone is excess demotivating me for a particular reason. I am not well in studies. So take the not well in studies, take that particular thing and then just apply it in your future. Apply it in your future that I can able to study well. So do and say him or her that I will do it. I can also do that thing. That's what I like. That's it.
3 minutes and 22 seconds. Mitra, Chandana, dismantle this in the respective boxes. 3 minutes in it.
No, sir. I was only focusing
On this side, sir.
Eye contact.
Good.
I'll give you 20 marks bonus.
Thank you. Thank you.
So you have noted down the previous round scores.
Yes, sir.
Can I reset your box? Now for Mitra and Kirtana. So team Kaviraj and team Kirtana. So first and foremost, 100 points for both Kirtana and Mitra. 100 points. 20 points bonus, as I mentioned, the Darshan Siddharth for prompting about eye contact with Kirtana. 20 points bonus for Kirtana for giving ultimately a very good message about whom to trust and how to stay strong besides the odd. She finished with giving a positive message, so 20 points bonus for that. And 20 points for Mitra's ancient storyline, like being in a kingdom, so that's about 20 points for you. So a common bonus for both Mitra and Kirtana for setting a proper trend for the other course seniors and also for the
Thank you.
special. Then,
Thank you. Well done, Mitra.
so this is just the scores contributed by Keithan and Mitra for
Yes, sir.
in the round முடிஞ்ச பிறகு தான் scores முடியும்.
Okay, sir.
அது வரைக்கும் it will keep getting simple. A junior and a junior. Hafiz and Chandra.
All the best, sir.
All the best.
Next year, this is
Sure. Okay. Spontaneous. பார்க்கலாம் நீ எப்படி தான் பண்றதுன்னு பாருங்க. அவனை எப்படி பண்றானோ அது தகுந்த மாதிரி. So இவருடைய ஸ்டோரிக்கும் ரெண்டு பேருடைய ஸ்டோரிக்குமே இந்த டைமே டைம் எடுத்து டக்குன்னு எனக்கு பேசணும் அப்படின்னா சாதாரண பிரசன்டேஷன் அதுக்கு என்ன இருக்கு. Object number 1 for this group. Okay, give it. Object number 1. A dice in the ring. Object number 2.
சந்தா, நீ அந்த objects அ பார்த்தாலே mind ல ஏதோ story டக்குனு பேசலாம். அதை அப்படியே repeatedly gather பண்ணி சொல்லு, சரியா?
A scoop and a pawn. Object number 3. 2 marbles. Object number 4. A stack of 4 money coins, 5,000 worth, 2,000 worth, 7,000 worth money coins. And finally, object number 5.
Look at the hand.
This is not money coins. They need necessarily take it as money, but just plastic coins. But this is definitely money coins or a piece of paper, whatever it may be. இந்த பணம் நாம எடுத்துக்கணும்னு அவசியமே கிடையாது. எப்படி வேணாலும் இமேஜின் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகே?
பேப்பர் கூட இருக்கலாம்.
பேப்பர் கூட இருக்கும். பேப்பர் கூட இருக்கும். டெஃபினட்டா பேப்பர் கூட இருக்கலாம். பேப்பர் வெயிட்டுக்காக வச்சிருக்கோம்.
காரா இருக்கும்.
இதா இருக்கும்.
இப்போ பேப்பர் மணி தவிர வேற ஏதாவது
எதா வேணாலும் இருக்கலாம். சிமுலேஷன்னா என்ன? நீ எதை வேணாலும் உருவகப்படுத்திக்கலாம். ஓகே?
I think I'm done.
You think the story more task? Na, irunga.
All the best, Hafiz. All the best, Sandra.
Toss. Who's calling? Last time yaar call பண்ணா? Mitra call பண்ணா.
Sir, last
Sir,
week.
myself, sir.
அப்ப நீ தான் கால் பண்ணு. இந்த டீம் ஃபைட். ரெடி? இது வந்து இந்தியா மேப் இருக்கிறது டெய்ல்ஸ். இது வந்து ஹெட்ஸ். ஓகே? ரெடி? 3 2 1 go.
Thanks.
ஹெட்ஸ். நீ முடிவு பண்ணு. நீ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் போறியா இல்ல சந்தன் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் போட்டுமா அப்படின்ட்டு 2 நிமிஷம் 30 செகண்ட் உங்களோட பிரசன்டேஷன் டைம். என்ன முடிவு பண்ற? சந்தன் போடு.
Come on, Sandra.
All the best, sir.
Good evening, friends.
Hey. 2:30. 2:30.
ஓகே.
Ready? 3 2 1 go.
Good evening, friends. Today I am going to say about some story. There was one boy, one man, that he always gave his money to shopkeeper, and he takes the money and give them. The shopkeeper also say lies, and he will phone him, and he will get extra money from him. Then he goes home, and this is the two objects he buy from that shop, and this is book, and this is stationery, and he started to study, and he take some rest and go out, and he takes another money from home. the shopkeeper,
And
the last painting, sir.
hold.
And he give all the money to him, and he has no money. Then only he satisfied. He should not use more money to the shopkeeper.
சிக்கனமாக இருக்கணும் அப்படிங்கிறது தான் மெசேஜ். குட் ஜாப். Okay, Nitika, rearrange பண்ணு. Chandan, you go. You can go back to your seat.
Well done, Chandan.
அதான் கண்ணா ஏய் இங்க வா இங்க rearrange பண்ண சொல்லு. இல்லடா இங்க தான் rearrange பண்ணனும். போங்க நித்திகாவை தான் பண்ண சொல்லு. யார்?
Wait, I can.
7:20 யாராவது வெயிட் பண்ணு. 7:20. Okay, ready. So 2 minutes and 30 seconds time for Mohammed Hafiz is going to start. Whichever parent is, please ask them to wait. I cannot leave the students now. It's only 7:25. I've given the information that they have to come beyond only 7:30. We'll build on the kind of period. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah. Wait for me. Now it's waiting. அது சொன்னேன் 7:30 மேல வாங்கன்னு சொல்லிட்டு மெசேஜ் நீயும் பார்த்தனா வாய் அடிச்சு வந்தோனே 7:25 வந்தா என்னடா பிடிக்க முடியும் எனக்கு 2 மணி நேரம் வேணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கீங்க என்னடா லேர்னிங் இருக்கும் ஒரு 10 நிமிஷம் இருக்கு சரி கிளம்பு போ 7:30 மேல வர சொல்றா எனக்கு டைம் இருக்குடா ஒவ்வொருத்தரும் ஒவ்வொரு பிச்சிட்டு வராங்க இவங்க 2 பேரும் 5 மணிக்கு அவன் 6 மணிக்கு வரான் ஒரு 2 மணி நேரம் கூட உங்க வீட்டுல இல்லாம நான் எத்தனை பண்றது எனக்கு ட்ரைனிங் முடிக்கிறப்ப எனக்கு சாட்டிஸ்ஃபேக்ஷன் இருக்கும் எனக்கு அந்த சாட்டிஸ்ஃபேக்ஷன் வர மாட்டேங்குது ஒவ்வொருத்தரா 7:20 7:25 அப்படின்னு 7:30 மேல 7:30 முன்னாடி எந்த பேரண்ட் வந்தாலும் முன்னாடி அவ்வளோ போகணும் அவன் வந்தாங்கன்னா அவன் நிறுத்த அவனோட வழி யாராக இருந்துச்சு டைம் என்ன கரெக்ட் 7:20 வந்து நின்றுருக்கான் 10 நிமிஷம் தான் இவன் ப்ரெசன்டேஷன் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கான் இப்போ தான் அவன் முன்னாடி வந்துட்டு இருக்கான் ஹாஃபீஸ் ஒரு ப்ரெசன்டேஷன் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கான் ஒரு நிமிஷம் சொல்லு ஏய் ப்ரெசன்டேஷன் முடிச்சுட்டு 3 கீழே போய் சொல்லிட்டு அவன் மரியாதையா 3, 2, 1 go. Tying in the lake. Many dogs were tied on the lake.
Many dogs tied in the lake. Another boy. Speed. Another boy will running fast. Next is. This is a yoga mat. Come on, guys.
seconds. Okay, so before Anas, Hafid and Hafiz are leaving, let us give the score. First of all, let me give for Uday Kirtana's team, that is for Mohammed Hafiz. Sigra, Sigra. 70 points for Mohammed Hafiz for a very good try and explanation on the topic. Awareness about yoga. 70 points for Chandan for giving a wonderful material message that we should not spend money lavishly and frugality. Frugality is F-R-U-G-A-L-I-T-Y. Frugal. Frugal, frugal. So Chandan spoke about frugality. So 70 points for him. Roughly, on a common basis, I would like to give 40 points for both the boys because it's a very good improvisation. Chandan used extra time and Hafiz finished well within 21 seconds to finish. So 40 encouraging bonus points for both of them. So thank you so much. Anas, Mohammed, Hafid will continue tomorrow. This round will continue tomorrow. Last pair the round போயிட்டே இருக்கும். இப்போ நீங்க மூணு பேர் கிளம்புங்க. Thank you. Bye. Keep shining your song. Bye. Vishnu Priya. This serial. And okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Say bye. Hey. Thank you. Bye. Object number 1 for Dashish. Thank you. Bye. Vishnu Priya Dashish. Danusha.
Yes, sir.
Say okay. So Danush, what's the time?
Sir, 7:29. I'm almost ready, sir.
சரி உங்க பேரண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாத்தையும் சொல்லுங்க 7:30 மணி இல்லாம யாரும் வரக்கூடாது 7:30 மணி இல்லாம யாரும் வரக்கூடாது அப்படியே வந்தாலும் அவங்க உட்காந்து
Sir.
you told good that's nice right so in 7:30 மேல வரணும் 7:30 totally fine but 7:20 7:15 please highly great எனக்கு நிறைய எனர்ஜி ஃபுல்லா நான் பசங்களுக்கு ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணணும்னு நினைக்கிறேன் இந்த விஷயத்தெல்லாம் பார்த்துட்டு எனக்கு பிடிக்கும் அதனால சொல்லிடுங்க 7:30 மேல வரணும் you can bye. Yeah, round continue.
Round continue.
Ama, round continue. It's a very important topic. Object number 2. Object number 3. Object number 4. Group of alphabets number 1 and verbal part number 2. This is object number 3. This is object number 4. And this is object number 5. 2, 3 part front is object number 5. So, sorry, enachu yaar
Sir, white color. அது எப்போ ரொம்ப நேரம்
Vishnu Priya வந்து யாரு நாளைக்கு மாத்திங்க நீ வீட்டுக்கு போய் உட்காந்து ஸ்கிரிப்ட் எழுதி சரி வேற யார் பேரண்ட்ஸ் இருக்காங்க விஷ்ணு பிரியா தர்ஷன் ரெப்ரசன்டேஷன் முடிச்சுக்கேன் ரைட்டா உனக்கு வேற ஆள் சரி பாய் உட்கார் எஸ்எம் சிதாம் வேற ஏதாவது மித்ரா வேற ஏதாவது பேரண்ட் கொஞ்சம் பார்த்து time. So last time the toss called by Kavin Raj. This time the toss is going to be called by Nitin. Tails, heads. 3, 2, 1, go. Tails. You win the toss, so you can decide.
Sir, I go.
Okay, so Darshan Siddharth from Team Kavindaj is going first. 2 minutes 30 seconds. Team.
All the best,
Yeah, right.
Darshan.
Time starts now. 3, 2, 1, go.
So this is a little girl and she's very poor. Her job is to sell matchsticks in the street. So it was a very cold day. There was snowflakes all around and she was walking. She didn't even have money to buy slippers. So she was walking in the cold. She just wanted to. Sir, so pass on. சரி நீங்களாம் பேசுங்க. Reset.
ரீசெட் பண்ண வேண்டாம். நான் பரவாயில்ல அவங்க எஸ்எல் டைம் கொடுத்து.
Okay. Start பண்ணுங்க.
இல்ல பரவாயில்ல.
Yeah. So this girl's job was to sell matchsticks.
சோ நீயே சொல்றது கையில எடுத்துட்ட. நான் வெளிய போனா நீயே பாஸ்
சார்
பண்ணு.
நீங்க மிஸ் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க சார் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் டைம். கிளைமாக்ஸ்ல வரும் சார்.
சரி. இல்ல பரவாயில்ல. நான் எஸ்எல் டைம்
Okay. So this little girl was forced by her father to sell matchsticks in the street because they were very poor, and she was walking walking barefooted because she didn't have money to buy slippers. She goes on, tries to sell matchsticks, but no one buys it from her. So she gets dejected because if she returns home without selling a matchstick, then her father would really scold her. So she's very afraid of going back home. And even at her home, there's not enough, like it's not a proper home. Even if she goes home, she'll feel cold because there are no proper walls in order to protect her. So she sits down in between 2 houses. There are 2 houses. She sits down and she rests on a wall. She thinks what to do. She's very dejected. She doesn't know what to do. Then a sudden temptation strikes her. She thinks, why not strike a match and keep herself warm? Just one match. Just one match will do. She takes out the match. She strikes it. Oh my God! It was so warm. She feels so warm. She feels great. And suddenly she sees something. She sees a huge iron stove in front of her. Something that she has never experienced before. Something that she has never seen before. That stove is used to keep people warm. She has seen it in rich people's houses, but she has not had the experience of sitting in front of it. After 2 seconds, the wind blows the match off and it disappears. She then takes up another match. She strikes it. Then suddenly she sees a roast like a chicken. Let's see. She sees a roast chicken in front of her. She feels very hungry, and right at the time when she was about to grab it, the matchstick blows off, and she again the vision disappears now. She strikes the 3rd match to see what she sees this time. She sees a huge Christmas tree. The last time she had seen a Christmas tree was in front of a rich merchant's house.
20 seconds extra.
Yes, sir. But this is the first time she's seeing a Christmas tree which is bigger than that. So she tries to hold it, but then again it blows off. Then the last matchstick. Okay. So now so far this was the iron stove, and this was chicken, and this was a Christmas tree. Now the last and final match which she strikes is going to be very important. She sees her dead grandmother. Her grandmother was the only person who loved her. So all these 3 letters
10
represent her grandmother. So she knew that her grandmother would also vanish if the wind blows out the matchstick. So she takes all the matchsticks and she burns it, and finally she flies away with her grandmother to heaven. People think that she's dead. People think that she might have suffered from cold, but the feelings which she experienced right after she saw her grandmother, it can't be expressed by words. So this shows how poor the child was, and her longing for love, her longingness for love, her longingness for the basic facilities that every child needs. So we have to keep this in mind, and let's utilize whatever we have in this problem.
Just students in one person.
Thank you.
Well,
Thank you.
Well, Lakshmi.
3:25. Okay, so
Thank you.
okay, so
Thank you.
Keetana's parent has come, so we will continue this tomorrow. Audience coming, you come. So Keetana can move. Bye. There happens.
Oh, sorry,
Kirtana, where are your parents living?
Sorry.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
3, 2, 1, go.
So hello everyone. So I hope everyone is experienced with the everyone has experience with the doggies and cute animals. So right now we can take this cup as a doggy, a cute doggy which someone is having their house as a pet. So the doggy runs out from the house at a midnight time. So at that time there are two street exits. Street lights. And at that time the doggy runs into like an academy for dogs alone. So the dog is familiar with the place, so it's able to go inside the academy quite fast. So at that time there are 3 to 4 doggies, 3 doggies. So these 3 doggies are those doggies which always gives hatreds to the puppy doggy. So be like so sad and not happy and always like sad doggy going to the neighbor's house and doing bad things because of these 3 doggies. They are saying that you have to do this, then only you are able to become a good doggy, like that. They are saying to the good doggy, and he also obeys these 3 doggies' words and he's going in and doing bad stuff. But at the academy, he's one of the most best doggy in the whole academy. So this is the academy. So, at that time, he is doing really good, and there are 2 main doggy which is really important in this story. That at that time, these 2 are the good doggies. So this doggy goes and as always said, these 3 doggies are saying some words to this and this doggy said. So he is obeying, that's it. That time these 2 doggies coming and saying that you are doing bad things, you have to change your manner and you have to change your lifestyle. So these 2 doggies are teaching this new doggy. Sir, after that, already he is a specialist for doing good things in the academy. Sir. He is really a trained dog. Sir. So at that time, he is obeying these 2 doggies' words and this dog is becoming a really good doggy in the whole neighborhood surrounding.
Thank you, Ritesh. Good job. Okay, Mitra, please see who's the parent is. We are finishing up. I think it is for Ritika and Chandan. We are finishing up. I'll give the score for Darshan, Siddharth and Ritesh after everybody comes. Okay, so stack up the chairs, please. Thanks so much.
I put my bag and
Stack up. Okay. Ready? Thank you, Ritika. Mitra, stack up, stack up. Ritika, stack up. Kavita, stack up. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Thank you.